Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring the power of compassion, taking a look at what it is and why it is such a beneficial virtue to harness. To begin your practice, take a few moments to settle into your seat, ensuring your sit bones and backside are stable and centered wherever you are seated. Stretch your crown gently up towards the sky while still letting your shoulders and back rest relaxed. Close your eyes when you are ready, and then take 3 long, deep breaths, releasing with a soft sigh as you exhale. Let any tension go through each breath out, starting to find yourself more attuned to this present moment. After your third full breath out, continue to breathe at your natural pace and rhythm. Notice the simplicity of this flow of air as it moves through your body, becoming more attuned to all the areas through which you feel the breath pass. Now, gently expand your awareness as you start to notice your physical body. Without judgment, simply observe where there might be any tension or contraction. And where possible, see if you might compassionately and patiently start to soften it. You might relax your forehead, your shoulders, your jaw, or any other part of you that can be safely and gently released. And then come back to the natural flow of your breath as soon as you are physically as relaxed as possible, letting your attention land on the center of your chest in your heart. As you breathe, witness each breath moving into and out of the heart, creating an expansion as you inhale, and a softening into compassion as you exhale. If thoughts arise during this practice, simply notice the mental movement as a wave of thought that ebbs and flows, and then come back to the breath as it moves through your chest. Continue this mindful, heart-based breathing for a few more moments on your own now, expanding as you inhale and softening as you exhale. Now, take a moment to consider, How do you respond to yourself during times of difficulty and despair? What internal words do you speak, and what energies do you cultivate? When others around you are suffering, do you feel their difficulty in your heart? In the face of another's suffering, can you tune into your shared humanity, feeling a sense of love, warmth, and care for this other person or group? Compassion can be defined in different ways, one of which explains it to be a quality that helps us to respond with kindness, care, and tenderness to suffering, whether that suffering be our own or another's. In the Buddhist tradition, this term is referred to as the quivering of the heart. The importance of this virtue is sometimes overlooked, but compassion practices are fundamental to many ancient spiritual traditions for good reason. Compassion reminds us of our shared humanity, and in doing so, it is a fundamental quality of a happy, healthy, and wholesome society and world. We can practice compassion by offering it to ourselves or by cultivating it for others. This practice of cultivating compassion involves putting aside any judgmental or analytical thoughts and tuning into the heart of our suffering. When we do this for ourselves, we become our own best friend. And when we do it for others, we reaffirm our sense of interconnectedness. This heart-based virtue increases well-being, boosts happiness and social connection, and can decrease anxiety and loneliness, among other things. So take a moment now to come back to your breath, watching as it enters and exits the heart space. And as you breathe through this space, begin to envision your innate capacities for self-love, self-care, and tenderness beginning to grow. Imagine this growing within you, either as increased spaciousness or perhaps as a warm, golden glow. And now, from the energy of this space, I invite you to hold yourself tenderly in heart and mind, silently repeating the words, "May you be well. May you be loved. May you be happy and at peace." Let self-compassion fill your body, mind, and spirit for one more full breath. And now, I invite you to call to mind someone you know who you'd like to offer this energy of compassion to. Take a moment to really bring this chosen person into the warmth of your heart. And silently now, I invite you to repeat to this person, "May you be well. May you be loved. May you be happy and at peace." Slowly let the image of this person fade from your mind as you take a few more moments to bathe in the universal compassion of your heart. Now, to gently close this practice, feel into the earth beneath you. Feel yourself firmly rooted into the world that holds you. Slowly bring a bit of light movement into your wrists and ankles. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes to the world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's meditation. See you again